I know that I would have slept very uncomfortably if I had to sleep without AC last night. It was warm here.
I know, humid, it was stuffy in the studio. I bet your hair is like, but you know what, with this rain barely just getting spit on right now in the valley. But the humidity is because of that rain pushing through with monsoonal moisture. But that humidity is actually increasing temperatures. Right now we're in the 80s, but then heading closer to the hundreds, 106 by the afternoon, and even sunset, look at that, 102 with clear skies. But right now, we have a stream of moisture coming into Bakersfield as we speak, bringing that very tiny chance of rain right here in the valley. On my futurecast, it looks like barely anything, but we do have a slight chance of a thunderstorm possibility in the Kern River Valley, the deserts, and the mountains, and that could lead to drought lightning, which is a fire risk. But it all clears out by Tuesday, coming back to sunny skies. But on top of all that, very poor air quality, 140 into the orange. So here's your 7-day. A tiny chance of rain for today as you woke up this morning. Maybe some sprinkles, 107 with that heat warning, and then sunshine back into the hundreds. And then for the Kern River Valley and the mountains, Tehachapi, Fraser Park, we have a small chance of a thunderstorm Sunday and Monday. And then after that, sunshine into the 90s, the 80s, and lower 80s.